In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention teammates in Confluence. Mentions are a simple but powerful way to bring the right people into the conversation and make sure they're notified about what matters. Let's walk through the process so you can do it confidently every time. First, open the Confluence page where you want to work or navigate to the comment section beneath the content. Make sure you're signed in and that you have access to the space or page. If the page is restricted, you may not see editing options, so double check you're in the right place before you begin. Next, start writing where the mention should appear. If you're adding it to the page content itself, click Edit to open the editor. If you just want to leave feedback or a quick question, scroll to the comment box and click into it. Comments are great for short, contextual notes, while page edits are better for instructions that should live in the document. By the way, you'll find the official Confluence link at the top of the description so you can sign in on the web or open it in your organization's instance. Now, to create a mention, type the @ symbol, then begin typing your teammate's name. As soon as you type the @ symbol, Confluence will suggest people based on what you enter. Keep typing to narrow the list. When the drop-down appears with matching names, click the correct person. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right teammate, especially if multiple people share similar names. Choosing from the list is important because it links to the person's profile and triggers the notification. After that, finish your message. Write clearly and be specific about what you need, such as a review, an update, or an approval. You can mention more than one teammate in the same comment or section if several people need to see it. But keep your mentions relevant so you don't overload others with notifications. When you're done, click Publish or Save. If you're working in the page editor, Publish will update the page with your changes. If you're in a comment, clicking to post will add it right below the content. The teammate you mentioned will receive a notification about it, helping them jump in quickly. Use mentions whenever you need someone's attention on a task, a decision, or a specific section of content. Keep your notes concise, focused, and actionable, and you'll keep your team moving smoothly. That's it for today. If you need the link to get into Confluence, it's right at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.